This is Jamie going for the middle of the ice lake. Some nice cracking noises. I'm going to follow him into the middle here. Making some nice icy noises. There's Buster there. Buster! He's quite happy destroying his ball. Making some nice big cracks in the ice. Jamie's freaking out over there. He says, not good, he says. Oh, he's thinking about coming back. You're halfway, mate. You are, I'm right behind you. You have to go across the weak bit if you want to go that way. You're going to have to go one direction, you can't come back. Onwards. Onwards we go. Oh, those are some big cracks you're making, huh? Those are some big cracks you've made.